you can see in figure A, that's where both tissue fragments are put in the same block. And you can see that each tissue fragment has a different shape. And then you can see when you look from the side view how they're not necessarily fully in the same plane. And so this is how we can end up really starting to lose tissue quickly, especially if, let's say, the tissue fragment on the left-hand side in that side view of the A portion or top portion of the figure, say that has all the tumor and it's really only in that very thinner, kind of more centrally placed portion. How much of that will be left depending on how much you're facing the block, or maybe the tumor is all in the more thin piece on the right. And when trying to just get a clean view of all of the tissue in that block, you end up losing all the tumor and your opportunity to test. So when you go and you put the specimens in separate blocks, like you see in the B portion of the diagram, you see how you can optimize each tissue fragment for its individual change in shape and size. And even if, say, if all the tumors in block B, you would know how careful to be. But in the perfect world, we'd have tumor in both sections and we could really spread out the tissue in terms of, for not only diagnostic confirmation of what we're dealing with for that initial diagnosis, but also for the downstream testing.